Sensor pala, dalawa. Oh.
Liam! Ay, magre-remote pa yun si Liam.
Skip natin. Skip natin to.
Which one do you, JC?
Skip mo. Sige, ikaw yan. Oh, skip.
You can expect sparks flying with these two.
Ikaw ata yung red, di ba? Ako pala yung na-knock out.
Kala mo ikaw yung panalo.
Akala ko ako panalo.
O, punch to strike. O, skip mo na yan, skip.
Skip mo na. Ikaw na yan.
Hoy, Liam, malis ka dyan. Hindi sila masense.
O, yan. Bakit wala sa atin?
Kasi si Liam nandun. Liam, move out of the way.
Race in front of the...
O, JC.
Ayan.
Uy, wag man.
O, sige na.
Ayan na.
Ako ata yung nananak eh.
Who's the red?
I don't know.
Bakit pati kick? Si...
I mean...
Nice straight.
Oh, okay. I thought that was the score. But it's the site that it's going round.
No, look at Liam. Liam! Boxing nga si Liam. How about Liam? Liam, Liam. Ayun, si Liam galing ah.
What are you doing?
Kalaban niya ta, red. Ako ang red. Hindi, kalaban mo yung red. Kalaban ko pala yung red.
Oh, look at Liam. Oy, Liam galing ah. Oh, Liam, Liam, Liam. Si JC sobrang.
I think your grandma's being very active.
Oh, yung hilo na, JC. Hilo na si JC. Oh, yan. Ikaw yan, dali. Anin mo.